The Galaxy Note 9 has been benchmarked for the first time and it may arrive way earlier than expected, so stay tuned for details. Okay, I know I haven't posted in a week, and as this channel approaches 300 subscribers now, I feel guilty about my occasional irregular uploads. But the problem is, making one video with my poor laptop and internet and the need to write scripts and do research to make the video less boring consumes a lot of time. And by a lot I mean up to 7 hours for one video. But you know what, I'm improving and searching for new techniques. My main goal is to shorten the time needed to upload so that I can continue making regular awesome tech videos for you guys. So thank you a ton for subscribing. Every subscribe has put a smile on my face. Let's continue our journey. A while ago we saw the first confirmed leak of the Galaxy Note 9, which was an astonishing HTML5 test result. More on that in the video I made back then, which pops now in a card. And today we got another leak, this time benchmarks. This is the Snapdragon variant again, so the one which will be available in North America. And for comparison, here are the benchmarks of the Snapdragon S9 Plus. Now as you can see, there is improvement in multi-core score, which means better optimization for the Note 9, just like we saw with the browser score last month. And don't worry about that single core score, as it will surely catch up as time passes. Speaking of time, Samsung may reveal the Note 9 way earlier than expected. Normally you would see it around the end of August, but these leaks are popping early, and add to that, it's said that Samsung has already started producing the Note 9's displays. Normally this happens in June, but this year it's 2 months earlier, so we might also see the Note 9 as early as July. Remember that Samsung also wanted to release the S9 in January, but it decided to stick with the usual MWC date. So we'll see what happens later. Now I have some not so great news. The same source also mentioned that apparently the displays won't have the long-awaited built-in fingerprint sensor, despite the leaks we saw a few days ago that mentioned Samsung's intention of embedding that fingerprint into the display. Anyway, we are still at least 3 months ahead of the Note 9's reveal. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest Note 9 news. So, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.